Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ABIL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Crazy movement today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So definitely a nice mover, a lot of eyeballs on it. This was the first alert that I made in our chat room today. So, a lot of members did well on it, and I'm sure a lot of members of other communities and just people in general did well on it, given the big move that it made. But let's get some levels of support and resistance mapped out here. First level that stands out is right here at the $6 area, which there's quite a bit of history, including, kind of where this late day pullback bleeding finally stopped. I mean, the final, basically 90-ish minutes was essentially a pullback, and that pullback, like I said, did stop right there at $6, and there is some other price history right around there. So $6 is, again, one of those levels that a lot of people are going to be watching, including the shorts, because if that level does indeed fail, then, that could present a shorting opportunity. So a lot of people, both longs and shorts, going to be focused on $6, and I don't want to come across like this is some great discovery. No, a lot of people that use charts and understand charts are going to be looking at this very same thing. So this is by no means, me trying to, come across like I have some sort of great discovery. No, a lot of people are going to be aware of $6. In the event $6 does not hold, next level of support to keep an eye on is going to be that purple line right there. That is the 50-period moving average. So as time goes by, that line will move itself higher and higher. It's basically like a trend line that's going to draw itself for you. So that's why I like to call it moving averages, trend lines for lazy people. If you don't feel like drawing a trend line, that's fine. Let this quote-unquote trend line draw itself for you. So that's also because it's going to be changing with time and moving. I'm not going to assign a numerical value to it because, again, as time goes by, the value of that moving average is going to, it's going to move. It's going to change. So keep an eye on those two areas from support. What about levels of resistance? Initial area of resistance on any sort of bounce is going to be right up here about $7.35. If the bulls can push through that, then next key level right up here, give or take, around $8.25. So all in all, nice movement today. Like I said, a lot of eyeballs on this one. I plan on watching it tomorrow. So let's see how this one plays out. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.